Hey guys, today is going to be kind of a loner day. I'm going to be by myself today. I only got a couple hours to do it in. Hopefully I enjoy myself. This is kind of a me day, you know. Well, me and you. But you know, I'm going to get out there around the golf course and Air Force Base area. You know, I don't know how else to put it. It's not going to be at the golf course, so. And I'm hoping, you know, to get a little relaxation, and if I find something good along the way, we'll pull it out of the ground. So we'll see how this goes. Oh, problem is, I'm kind of fighting the rain. It's on its way, and hopefully it skirts around me. We'll see how that goes. So here we go. Okay guys, I'm here and I started hunting, and literally second hole, check it. It is some kind of a religious medal. Well, it's up there down there. It's a cross with a crown under it, and it says something across there, and I can't make out what it says. Now, I don't know if this is something, I doubt it, but I don't know if this is something military related or what, but I think that's pretty cool, and hopefully I can find something out about it. Well, that's the sky coming in quick, guys, and I know you can hear that wind on the camera. I just got done digging that hole. I found this amazing piece of junk. Awesome. Never had one of those or expected to get one of those today. Now look down here. Now it looks like I found another one of those painted rocks. I don't know if that's what it is or not. Two of them. I don't know. Maybe it's not. There's no name on the back. I keep running into those things wherever I go, don't I? I'm going to leave it right there. That's cool. Well, it is pouring down rain, and my last hole is a 50 caliber round bullet fired. Wow, big old thing. And when I pulled up here, I was one of only 2 vehicles. And now, there are a lot of cars here. Look at all that. These are all people with bicycles, and they got this big thing going on, I guess. They're setting up tents and stuff, and frankly, they picked the best time ever to do it, so, you know, they can have it. I'm going to take off here. About that 50 caliber round, folks, that's not a kind of bullet you're going to find just anywhere when you're metal detecting. This particular place happens to be an old Army Air Corps airfield from the 1940s, and I imagine it is laying there, and all the other ones that we find there are there because they were training with them. It just so happens that one I found today, I found maybe a mile and a half from where I found the other one, so I don't know how their training course went on those on that firing range was. It's weird, but it's a cool find. Now, that is not a round you're going to hunt with. You're not going to take down a deer with that thing. That round was designed specifically to kill another human being. So, you know, it's kind of a creepy find, but a piece of history nonetheless, and I'm happy for it. So, and now back to our video. Yeah, it's raining. Let's get out of this stuff. Well guys, that's it. That was our video. It turned out to be a wet rain. I got out for maybe an hour and 10-15 minutes, something like that. Enough time to enjoy myself. Found, yeah, a couple nice interesting things. I didn't find any coins of any kind. No clad, no silver, no wheat cents, nothing. I had fun though. Got to relax and unwind, and I was happy for that. Those poor bikers though, I don't know. I don't know how they're going to do it. Don't their brakes fail if they get wet? I don't know how it works anymore. I hope you enjoy the video, guys. It is a short one. I had fun doing it though. Till next time, we'll catch you later. I'm hitting mud puddles. Bye.